Hello and welcome to my channel. It's been a momentous day here at the doctor's surgery. To explain, let there be light. The electrician was here today. I'm going to show you what he did. He pulled some armoured cable down from the loft, hooked into the main board in the house with its own isolator, and he cut a track, fed it in through. Gonna have to get some fill to fill that up, but that's kind of my problem. He fitted a little light outside, which I didn't even ask him to do. It was a nice touch, and the armoured cable just come in here, up through that conduit and into the box here, fed along and down into the switches here, and on the other side fed along and down to these switches here. He's put me on LED lighting, and it's lovely and bright down here. So it's been a momentous day, and I'll see you all on live stream on Sunday night.